Hi there. Today we're learning about the phrasal verb fake somebody out. It means to trick or deceive someone. Usually, it's about making someone believe something false. This often surprises or confuses the other person. You can hear it a lot in sports or games. For example, a basketball player might fake a pass. They pretend to pass the ball one way, but then go another way. This tricks the defender. You can say he faked the defender out. Remember, somebody means somebody. So fake somebody out means trick somebody. It is a transitive phrasal verb. You always needed an object after it. For example, she faked me out. Or they faked their opponents out. You can put the object between fake and out, or after out. Both are correct. Don't say, I faked out. That's wrong. You must say who you tricked. It's informal and great in conversation. Try using it in sports, games, or even joking with friends. Now you know how to use fake somebody out. Try to make sentences with it today. Thanks for watching and keep practicing English.